Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much to drip faucet during freeze, only way. Start by identifying the coldest faucets and the main water supply lines near exterior walls. Open the faucet to a slow, steady drip that forms droplets at a regular pace to maintain flow. Keep internal cabinet doors open where pipes run and monitor indoor temperature and water flow. Adjust the drip if freezing worsens or if flow seems too strong. Measure the drip by watching the droplets fall. 1 drop every 2 to 3 seconds is usually sufficient to keep water moving. You do not need a full stream, which wastes water and may not help more than a steady drip. For very exposed pipes or prolonged cold snaps, slightly increase the drip to a small steady flow that forms a thin line. Consistent monitoring helps you balance freeze protection and water use. Open both hot and cold taps slightly when a single faucet serves both lines to balance pressure and reduce risk of bursts. Insulate exposed pipes with foam sleeves or apply approved heat tape for extra protection, which lets you reduce the drip and conserve water. Always disconnect and drain outdoor hoses and shut outdoor valves before a freeze. These steps minimize necessary water flow while protecting plumbing and lowering water waste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.